Use flight search engines. Start by using flight search engines like Google Flights, Skyscanner, Kayak, or Momondo. These platforms aggregate flight options from various airlines and allow you to compare prices easily. Be flexible with dates and times. If you can be flexible with your travel dates and times, you're more likely to find cheaper options. Flying on weekdays or during off-peak hours can lead to significant savings. Set fare alerts. Enable fare alerts on your chosen flight search engine. This will notify you when prices drop for your preferred route, helping you snatch up a good deal. Book in advance. While last-minute deals can sometimes be found, it's generally advisable to book your flight several weeks or months in advance. Airlines often offer lower prices for early bookings. Consider nearby airports. Check prices for nearby airports as well. Sometimes, flying into or out of an alternative airport can save you money, even if it involves a bit of extra travel. Opt for connecting flights. Direct flights are convenient, but connecting flights can be cheaper. However, ensure that the layover time is reasonable and the total travel time is not excessively long. Use airline miles and points. If you're a frequent traveler, consider signing up for airline loyalty programs and credit cards that offer travel rewards. Accumulating miles and points can lead to free or discounted flights. Browse in incognito mode. Some travel websites may track your browsing history and show higher prices based on your previous searches. Browsing in incognito mode or clearing your cookies can help you see more accurate prices. Travel off-peak. Traveling during off-peak seasons can lead to substantial savings. Research the best time to visit your destination to avoid peak tourist times. Package deals and bundles. Sometimes, booking flights and accommodations together in a package can result in cost savings. Compare the prices of separate bookings with bundled deals. Consider budget airlines. Budget airlines often offer lower fares, but be aware of additional fees for baggage and services that might be included with traditional carriers. Avoid weekends and holidays. Flights on weekends and during major holidays tend to be more expensive. If possible, plan your travel for midweek and non-holiday periods. Monitor social media and newsletters. Airlines and travel agencies often announce deals and promotions on social media platforms and through newsletters. Stay subscribed and follow them to catch limited-time offers. Negotiate with customer service. In some cases, calling the airline's customer service directly might lead to finding hidden discounts or better deals, especially if you're booking for a group. Consider alternative routes. Look for alternative routes that might involve a stopover or different cities. Sometimes, taking a slightly longer route can result in significant cost savings. Remember, the key to saving money on flights is research and flexibility. By putting in the effort to compare options, plan ahead, and make informed decisions, you can find affordable flight deals that fit your budget. Now go score you some cheap flights.